And what up, what's good with y'all? Hope all is well. Haven't seen y'all in about a week, just been enjoying the holidays, kicking it, and just chilling with family and stuff. But anywho, today, as y'all can see, we got a late vlog. It's a late start, but a little bit different from normal. Today we're in San Jose kicking it with Christian. Those that aren't familiar with Christian, we did the collab video where he let me drift his rear wheel drive WRX. For those that need a quick little reminder, Christian was on Hoonigans. So we're at Christian's new little shop over here. We're gonna be going in here, checking him out, mingling and talking and stuff. And I have some new wheels that I'm about to be showing y'all. So that's why I'm here. Christian's gonna be building these wheels for me. And we're just about to check a couple things because you'll see. I'm not gonna give y'all too much, but you'll see while we're here in a second. But I'm pretty sure y'all like the wheels. So I'm gonna show y'all the new wheels real quick. Let's push this thing over here with some light at. Come on, girl, push your wheel, girl. All right, the new wheels right here that we about to be rebuilding. You see them. So yeah, I'm about to have Christian rebuild these. We gotta check them, take them apart. And the reason why we have to rebuild it is because of this jammy. This one is stupid boofed. It's boofed pretty bad, so we're gonna be taking this apart. I'm gonna be getting a new barrel for it. I might end up rebuilding both of them just so I can have some, you know, mucho lips. But I am gonna be building these for the SE, so I'm gonna be building them to fit like some probably 325s. It's gonna be switching to R 888s. But yeah, you can see it's boofed hella bad though. So when you look on the back side, the inner barrel looks fine. Cool part about these, if I wanted to run these on the front, looks like they'll clear big brakes. So these aren't a low disc, these are a high disc setup. So clearing brakes is gonna be pretty easy. But where's that part at? There's a part right here where it looks like the face might possibly be slightly bent, but I have a dude that could fix these faces. My AMEs that used to be on the SC actually boofed those hella bad and the face was bent, so ended up sending them him, and then he ended up fixing the face, straightening it however he does his magic. So I'm pretty sure I can get these straightened, already contact him, so that's easy. But let's go in here and see what's up with Christian real quick. So when you first walk in, you're like, what the hell? This doesn't even look like a actual shop. Like, where the cars at, bruh? Christian, where are the cars, bruh? This is like the storefront for all the drugs and stuff that are in the back. We got Christian's mom here. Hi, Christian's mom. So here we are. It's a little late to be opening it now. We already walked through the storefront. We're gonna do a walk around in a second. Look at this. Ooh, this is baller shit. Man, Christian about to get me demonetized up here.
Oh shit.
So up here is where they chop all the drugs.
Stupid, bro. Bro, this is in Oakland. Look at this. SJ's not, you know, SJ is kind of worse.
Look at this big ass shop, man. Look at all this. I can jump from up here and die.
The view's sick though, huh?
It is.
Every day I come up here and like just
with the fish front in the front. That shit's tight.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
Family business.
Like, yeah, exactly. And then like when I'm working on cars, we can just watch the fish or just come up here and chill.
That shit's hard.
Yeah.
That shit's fucking sick.
I don't know when we're gonna build that.
This is nice though. That's how you know you're rich and you made it.
Nah, not
goals.
Just working.
And you young, bro. 25.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're still
rich, bro. I'm in debt. You see, this was not cheap, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. It's worth it. It'll pay off, like you said.
Can you get the tire? Thank you. Thank you. Love you lots. It's not that dirty. Look at her. Look, she feeling like she brand new. She got that new hair. She got that new hair. What is that hair called?
What's that hair called?
What's that hair called?
Balayage.
Balayage. Look at that. Balayage. Balayage. Okay. Ooh. I can tell you one thing. He is going to be extremely mad when he drift and boof this molded in wide body kit. Oh, everybody's putting their IG on here. Where can I put my name at? Right here. At MIKE. Oh shit. Underscore MYKE. There we go.
That was good, brother.
Oh, see, here you go, bringing out the fucking baller camera on me.
Yeah, you know, dude, check it out, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Super wide.
See, that's rich people shit right there.
Not even, bro.
Rich people.
Honestly, your GoPro 7 is probably the same fucking quality.
Nah, my shit don't zoom like that. Start zooming on here, it's gonna get blurry.
Hey, you got good skin though. I can't roast you on any pimples, bro. You're looking good up there, bro. Just watch.
So right now we're gonna be pulling this wheel off, or this tire I should say, and we're gonna be swapping one of the 305s that I had on. And what I want to do is when we get the 305 on here, I want to see kind of like, that way I know kind of what offset it is, because if these fit on the 350Z with the 305, then I know for sure it'll fit on the SE with the exact same lip setup. So depending on how it's sitting, maybe I'll keep this spec and then just fix this one wheel. But if it doesn't sit right, or if it's sunken in, then obviously I'm about to be going with maximum lip on these wheels. Kind of want to just ball out and do max lip though. These look like, these only like 5 inch or so. It's not that big, so you know we do 7-inch lips or better out here. Cancer, man, cancer.
Yeah.
Say no to drugs. You know they raising the legal limit of that to 21 now. How old are you?
21.
Oh fuck. Damn, homie.
Dude, hella lip. The tire catches on this, no seal.
That's a Japanese girl with hella thick ass eyeliner.
Man, this barrel is hella thick. We need smaller barrel, smaller outer barrel, or smaller inner barrel and bigger. No, we need smaller inner barrel and bigger outer barrel. You need some lip.
Holy shit.
Damn, bro, they use
duct tape to mask this shit with a lip that big.
They put JB Weld on here. Nah, it's like Toyota gasket seal or some shit.
Look how thick that shit is.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, look, it's already ripping right here.
What the fuck, dude?
That's
They didn't clean it?
I don't think so. They didn't clean the undersurface.
Like, we just put hella design.
Yeah, you can see parts with tire caught in.
Well, yeah, because you're not supposed to have it this big.
Yeah.
Look, what happens is this, and then it'll fucking peel off.
It'll peel and leak.
lift.
That's cool. Christian's gonna be rebuilding these anyway.
That's not much. You got your cover, bro.
I don't even know
Nigga.
who would run this, bro. That's insane.
Crazy, huh?
That's just retarded.
13 and a half inches wide, bro.
That's a humongo lip. Pretty short video don't do it no justice.
Definitely not. That's like on video it looks like a small bowl of pho, dude. This is like in person, bro. This is gargantuan.
Yeah, that's just huge. That's what she said too in person.
Mike. Yeah, there's a hole. Fuck. Oh, you want to patch it real quick? Yeah, it's in the center.
Quick little patch.
This shit's hella dry, this tire.
Yeah, this tire old as shit. I just need it for test fitting. I just want to see where the clearance is. Oh, fire!
Yeah. Dude, there's hella baby spiders that came crawling out when I did that shit. Look.
So for those that didn't know, I actually used to do like, I used to work at Big O. I was a tire tech. So seeing this machine, this is like rich people baller shit right here. He's gonna say it's not, but this shit got all the octopus arms. This little leg right here goes up and it carries your wheel for you, so where you don't gotta, bruh.
For the vlog real quick.
Bro, watch this shit. Check this out. This is why Americans are so fat now. This is like obesity. Look at this shit, bruh. Fuck you, what is that? Fuck you, what is that, bruh? I remember when big ass trucks used to be coming in, and then you had to do like 4 tires in them big ass heavy like dualies and shit. It's like you sitting there bending over, blowing your back out, and then they come up with this shit.
Your pizza has been delivered, sir.
That shit this is cheating. This is cheating as shit. Hella cheating. Man, this poor wheel, bruh. Yeah, it is fucked. It's cool though. I accept the challenge on fixing it.
It did the whole job for me. I mean, DB'd the tire already.
I'm curious how the thing's gonna go over. I honestly almost think it might be easier to fucking
Pry it without it?
nah, like literally disassemble the lip and pop the lip off.
Come on, E-Honda.
Fucking Gary King called me the same shit too.
Damn, look at E-Honda.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some weight on that tonight.
Don't knock yourself out. No workers' comp.
Oh, hell no.
No workers' comp. Little baby tires.
Damn, you got a cracked back barrel, everything. Damn. Spider cracks everywhere.
He boofed hella hard.
Yeah, that shit's
Crack. Yeah, we're just gonna do new barrels on both wheels. Fuck it.
Let's see if I can get an accurate reading off of this shit. I probably won't, but
What's it saying?
what the fuck is this one telling me?
It says 11.
Yeah, on this one.
Look at that shit. Or let's at least get the face on this ass,
Jesus Christ. This is how I need the back of my car to look. So Christian's getting ready to disassemble this right now. And then we're gonna, once he's done, we're gonna throw it on the balancer and see how out of spec this face is.
Oh, you've done these wheels before, so it's clockwork. Yep. Like that. Haven't seen this thing's bent.
Wasn't sealed properly, according to Christian, the master wheel builder here.
Yeah, bro. I mean, don't get me wrong, you're very, very generous with the seal, but didn't seal properly. Just like, you know, you can have a lot of money to build a car, doesn't mean you build it right.
True. That is 100% facts.
That's just the truth, bro.
Is y'all ready for this? This shit's about to spin 100% perfectly flat. Guaranteed.
Yeah, nothing looks like it's wrong with it.
What? A little bit.
Just a little bit.
Surprisingly.
Can it apply road force on it?
No, it's not gonna apply road force on a bare wheel.
Well, it'll treat it like a 17-inch wheel. See what it says.
It's for sure a little wobbly.
It says okay.
Damn, it balanced out.
It's telling me okay, and the vibration levels are below fucking run out, so.
That's weird.
You could see the fucking, like...
You can see the wobble though. It's not that bad, but
The wobble's probably not that bad, because this is on bare rim mode, so it's gonna keep that in mind. So that means that it could be balanced out with weights if it was on a perfect barrel.
let's spin it again, see if it got zeros out again.
Yeah. I can't see from here.
It doesn't look that bad, man.
Same shit. The machine's not
Still
wrong.
zeroed out.
Well, the thing is, it looks weird because it's a mind trick. When you have dark and then light spinning, it's gonna throw off.
You also have all these holes too.
Because it's not clean, you can't really tell. You know what I mean? Because you're seeing black and white reflect, you know, like that. So you're not gonna really just tell by looking at it. So if the machine says it's right, then based on the sensors.
So yeah, I'm about to be taking this with me, and I'm gonna be sending this off to get repaired. All this right here, I'm gonna be getting fixed up. And these wheels used to be black. You can see right here, they used to be black, and I guess they sanded it all down and had it all polished up. But for sure that this wheel definitely needs to be repaired. And then from there, I'll get this all powder coated and cleaned up. So here goes the math portion of this.
This is a half inch. It pushes So it's like a 12 mil offset.
So what you're telling me in the Pythagorean theorem is
This is where I exit stage A. So I'm gonna just head out.
So from what I can see, what meets the eye,
She's a Transformers reference.
my eyeball.
Oh, you trying to figure out on the back spacing?
Yeah, so the hub and where it mounts to the wheel.
You got something flat? Something flat. Sit it right here,
that'd be the best,
like a
yeah.
straight edge.
Like the paint stick.
There you go.
That might be kind of straight enough.
Straight enough.
And then measure the gap between.
Yeah, that's about a ½ inch, huh? Can you measure this gap between here and here?
Or I'll hold this. You're better at measuring than I am.
Let's see if my calculations. Yeah, about a ½ inch.
No.
Eyeball's pretty okay. So a ½ inch, that's like 12 millimeters of, let's say, negative offset, so it pushes the wheel out another 12 millimeters. So
So it's a minus 12. Is what you're saying.
no, it's not a minus 12. The wheel is not a minus 12.
So what is it?
You gotta pull out the calculator.
Oh yeah.
We'll be back to you guys shortly. Man, you had music playing. This shit better not demonetize my video. Whoever this is. It's too late now. How's it work? 30 seconds or some shit? Nah.
Yeah, that music's nice background too for this.
Oh, do it in like slow motion.
His nose peeking out and shit. There you go. Looks good.
Ooh, feels comfortable too.
All made in house.
See, this is how your hoodie's supposed to fit. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yours is all loose, man.
I'm gonna change it out right now.
He needs some gains.
What the fuck? Alright.
Just bleach it when you get home. Watch it.
Bruh, you need a medium, bruh. Even the large is big.
I gotta grow into it. That's the motivation, bro. I gotta start hitting the gym again.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up.